So, welcome to the Meland Farm. We are doing some harvesting of some mahindis here. We have and passion. You can see Mama Yao there. And we are enjoying our Sunday. Does this one count, Mom? Does this one count with the, what do you call it? Recreational couples thing? Kitu kama hiyo. Sasa, or recreational activities. So, join us as we continue with this. We love what you are doing and we hope that you also enjoy. So Kim is here. Kim is here to do some, with his famous, do you call this what? Hiyo ni nini? Basin. Yes. And Mom is there doing some harvesting. Mom, what are you harvesting? Passion. Can I see you? Hey, nadhani kwa a whole acre. Wow. So you can see the passion fruit here. It is over 1 year old. In a regenerate, I think it's getting ready for the new season. You can see the dogs there making a lot of noise. Rex? Rex? Yes, that's the king of the jungle. He's called Rex. You can see him there. Where he's watching us. He's why we are destroying his land. And I want to show you some pumpkins. They are not yet ready, but you can see how well they are doing. Yes, they're here. We have so many. So we are almost doing the harvesting for the maize. And Kim, nimeona zenye ulikuwa nasema. Hizi ni ndogo. I've seen a big one. Wow. So pumpkins seem to be doing very well here, together with the maize. You can see. Where is this one? I've seen it. Oh, that one I've seen it. There is that one still has some time to go. There are so many. I think I have counted more than 10. But that's the nini for the cuckoos. We have done Meland chicken for some time. Then for our next project, I've tried to do with one and I know this one will work. See this? So very soon this whole land will be full of bananas. So we want to try out bananas. As I have said that in our farm we like trying new things. And pawpaws, correct? Mom is reminding me the pawpaws. Pawpaws will be coming. The good thing with them is that they grow very quickly. You can see how the pumpkin has taken over. I think this is parasitic. This is where we do our slaughter of the Meland Kienyeji chicken. And you can see the pumpkins are really doing well. So Kim, what do you have to say? Are you doing some good work with the farming? Yes. Good. So this is what can you say that this is what you have been doing over the whole holiday while others have been in school? Yes. Yes. Plus taking care of the chicken. And taking care of the dogs. The dogs, our friends there are poor friends. Look at them. They are really eagerly watching. So there is Sniper, there is Lex, and there is Becky. Becky? Becky, Becky, Becky? Yes, that's Becky. Love my dogs, man. Rex? Rex? Sniper? Come on, Sniper. Yes, good. Yes, Kim, what are you saying? You have seen another pumpkin. It's growing, eh? Why is that one albino? I can see one that is a... Look at it there. Look at that one. That one looks like an albino. Okay, it has no coloration. Pigmentation. Pigmentation. So we are doing harvesting of the maize. You can see you have already started. So today we are going to eat some metungo and cook some githeri. Then I think I'm taking this because for reference sake, because I don't think I'll be doing maize for the next season. Maybe you can do in this section. section. This one really does well. Sinaona venye ziko kubwa huko. This one does very well. And then I've seen the sugarcane. Can you see the sugarcane at that corner? Huko. I think we also have some sugarcane here. Hey, check the passion. Wow. Oh, and some gooseberry. Gooseberry should be wild. Are there people who do them commercially? They are not wild. Okay. So I think that's that. We'll cut this so that I can continue with the harvesting. The sun is not waiting for any king here. So, Kim, can you say something before we end the video?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. What's that? The sugarcane. Is there one in the kitchen? Maybe you can do it when you're doing the bananas. So, as you can see, here are the passion fruits. Quite big. I'll be honest to say that I have not seen this breed elsewhere. So I don't know where it's coming from. But these ones are huge. Look at this. Huge, huge, huge. And they are very sweet once they are ripe. Yes, you can see. And this one goes all the way to the end. So you can see some pumpkins are growing here. You can see this. Wonderful. We are wait. Did you know that passion fruits take 90 days to mature? Such a small thing. 90 good days of waiting. Look at that. Inaitwa maumbile, hii ni ya Mola. That's wonderful, wonderful. I love this. And we get our water. We harvest our water actually. We did not buy any water for our farm. There you go. There is where our water is. It just collects there, and then we pump it using that pipe there, and we ensure that all our plants are well watered. Sasa, bye friends. Hey. Okay Rex. Okay Rex. I hear you. I hear you Rex. Hello, so there you have it. That was our short video in terms of what we are doing at the Meland farm, and we are doing the harvesting today, as we have taken you through, and we have also given you some sneak preview of the things that we want to do very soon. But from all of us here from the Meland farm, we want to wish you all the best, and we also want to remind you that we finally have our website online. It's called the melandfarm.com. Just simple as that. You can go through it, especially if you are a poultry farmer. There is so much that you can learn there. We have a number of blogs that is explaining some of the things that we have done, some of the videos that we have done. We have done some tutorials about it. And then we also have a section where we have a marketplace, where we are inviting anybody who is a farmer. If you are cuckoo about chicken, if you love doing farming like what you are doing here, if you are selling products for animal husbandry or what, you can reach out to us so that we can give you a space so that you can showcase what you are selling. And then we are going to grow one another kidogo kidogo. Otherwise, God bless you so much. From the Meland farm, we say bye-bye. Kim, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mom, say bye-bye. Yay, there you have it. Bye bye guys.